Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to manage accounts to automatically scroll and watch recommended Instagram Reels videos. I will open the Instagram bot here. With this bot, you just need to add accounts as I introduced in the previous videos. Then I will go to the account interaction section. Here, I will create a new scenario. The scenario name is Scroll Reels. After creating it, I will click on General Interaction. Here, you can choose the number of videos you want each account to watch. I will set it to 10 to 20 videos. Each video will be watched from 2 to 10 seconds. The bot will randomly choose a value within the range you set. Next, select Random Video Likes from 1 to 3 videos. Randomly follow the video owner, 2 users. In addition, you can enable share and comment. Enter the comment content here. Each comment content should be on a separate line. Okay, that is all the setup for automatic random Reels scrolling. Basic settings like this are enough. I will scroll up and I will choose to perform all these actions. 5 actions means selecting all 5 checkboxes below. The delay between 2 actions will be set from 5 to 20 seconds. Setting it exactly like mine will make it easier to use. Save the settings. After saving successfully, when you come back here, you will see a new scenario called Scroll Reels. Now I will select the accounts that I want to warm up automatically through Reels videos. Then I will set the number of threads. The number of threads means how many accounts run at the same time. I will set it to 20. When I click Start, these accounts will automatically open. They will access the Reels section and interact with Reels videos. Okay, I will organize the Chrome windows a bit. This is the action log column for the accounts. The bot will perform actions based on the settings configured earlier. You can monitor the process on the screen. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Instagram automation tools, you can message me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you again in the next videos.